Got bridges to burn and places to run. Yeah, the smile is a loaded gun. It's my party, my body, my business. It's my town on my crown on my hit list. It's my world and you're just living in it. Did I finish? They're my girls and it's us who's deciding. It's our duty to say you're invited.
I've been holding it since I put the dome over the town.
You can wait. A lot of people work really hard on this film, and all they ask is for you to memorize their name.
Mrs. fucking Polite.
I want to make sure no animals were harmed during the filming of this movie.
Got bridges to burn and places to run. Yeah, the smile is a loaded gun.
Floor platform.
All these fakers, they come to a stop with me. Trying to step on my
It looks like Maggie has
all these boys trying to claim my discography. Never heard of them once. They keep chasing my cross, but I'm leaving them none.
Isn't all it's cracked up to be. 4 years of film school for this?
Are you dummies still sitting there? Fine. Since you stuck it out this long, I'll tell you a super duper secret, but you can't tell anyone. Okay, did you know that Batman